Here's a quick way to export all your Kindle book collection into a CSV file. All you want to do is, once you get onto this read.amazon.com to show your Kindle library online in Google Chrome web browser, go to this code page. I've provided the link to this GitHub code in the video description below. You can take it from there. Thanks to this user who provided this code, I just found it in the GitHub. Once you're here, click on this raw so that you can just get the code, nothing else. You can select all from here and simply copy using the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+C or Command+C based on your computer. And once you are back in this Kindle website, click on these three dots in your Chrome browser, go to More Tools and click on Developer Tools. Within this, you want to go to this Console tab, and in here simply paste that code that you copied and hit on the enter or return key. So after a few seconds of loading the backend controls here, a CSV file gets downloaded just like this one. Let's open this up and we can see that there will be two columns of data, with the second column having all the titles from your Kindle collection. Yup, it had given me all my book names. In case you want more data like the author name also, then I have made this video which may help you out.